We're just trying to, gather a lot of people to actually, come together, and stop this violence that's going on back home, built by the president that's in charge right now, Kabila. But yeah, man, I learned a lot today, and I appreciate that, man.
Thank you very much. And what is your name again?
My name is Eric.
Eric, are you from Congo? From Bukavu? Oh my God.
Bukavu.
Now, can you tell me why are you from Bukavu and you are speaking English and you cannot speak Lingala?
Well, I came here when I was 8.
8 years old.
Been here for about 15 years now. I'm 23.
Oh my God.
I still understand Swahili.
Swahili.
Mnajua Swahili lakini Swahili yangu haiko sana kwaka Mungu lakini mnasemaga Swahili.
Keep on saying something about the Kivu. What is going on in Kivu that Kivu, Bukavu, you know that the people are being killed, man?
I mean, I was back home in 2007 and it looks really bad, man. Like the roads, looks like the roads back in the village where it's actually in the city. And it just gave me a reality check just being out there, man. Just being thankful that, that I'm out here in America. And we're going to try and do our best to try to, come with something happy with the people.
But you know that Goma is the best place to live in. Nice panorama, nice nature.
It's a nice place, yeah.
Nice place. But it's being spoiled, yeah?
Yeah.
So if they give you the opportunity to live in Congo and in America, if Congo is doing well, where would you like to live?
Oh, I'm going back home.
Back home, yeah?
I'm going right back home.
Home is home, man.
If Congo was the same way, the way the system is over here, back home, I would have been back home with
no doubt.
With no doubt.
No doubt. Oyo mwana biso awa botami awa na Amerika, azali mwana ya Goma, mwana ya Bukavu, alobieta yake asa mwana ya Bukavu. Ayaki. Which town?
I'm from Mushi.
Mushi. Ozobona je azali mwana ya Mushi na Bukavu, alobi boye. Ngai soki na bo même si na botami awa na koleli awa mekao na kena yeko visite mboka na ngai ya Congo, natali panorama, natali kitoko ya Congo. Oh my God. En tout cas, soki opesa option.
We need to come together, man. There's a lot of Congolese in the DC area.
Man.
We need to come together, and just have the entire place filled up and let our voices heard so our president or Barack Obama can try to find a way to help us out, man, because it's crazy, man.
Crazy, man.
Dying every single day back home, man.
Yeah.
And
your propre mwana biso za koloba ete soki mboka msego iko bonga ya kozonga na
I'm only 23 years old. I'm out here.
Azana 23 ans.
So
et puis tant za kotala mboka ne komeza kobeba pourtant ya za américain mais bien en tout cas mboka za ya mboka.
As soon as anything changed, man, over here back home.
Changement na pays so kotinga na zongi na nga makamba zoba.
I have a grandmother.
Nazana koko na ngai. Mama na nga bakuse na nga.
All of them, man.
Bango nyonso baza kuna na Congo.
And they all need our help.
Tous bango nyonso baza na besoin aide.
Because we go from Congo, we come here and we get lazy.
Parce que to uti na Congo to ya to ko imba paresse.
But I mean, it's at the end of the day, man, everything is not easy out here. It's hard too. It's America, but it's hard. So we try our best to, send money to you guys. We can't do it every day. We're suffering here too. So message this to all my Congolese people. We miss you guys. And we're going to try our best to bring the country back. Every day. Merci.
En tout cas, merci. Thank you very much. God bless you.
My Congolese brothers here.
Oh, nyonso baza komona baza ba Congolais. Tala ba jeune oyo babotami awa bana mike baza kolela ba mboka kake.
Banana king.
Oh my God. Look at this man. Tala kaka mwana osoko moni ko bazana na za américain. Nzoka ne pire wa biso tala.
American, whatever.
Americain.
At the end of the day, man.
Na suka ya jour. Mais tala bango ko kansaka bana ba américain mais pire bana ya Congo.
Also aussi pour Kabila.
OK.
Il doit sortir.
On va le Congo. On doit le tuer.
Oh my God. Tala ba jeune kitoko boy bambinga mibali.
C'est des amis à Southeast DC.
Oh, nazana ba camarade na Washington. Bazana besoin yo Kabila. Oh my God.
On vient pour toi.
Bana ba botami na Amerika. bana poto mekanisa mboka na bango bazobosa nango te bayebi ke malgré toza na poto pays kake
Never forget where you come from, man.
jamais obosa na kote nino uta.
No, I can't. You see this?
Tala awa na batatu baza na bango batu batatu Africa Congo.
I can't forget.
Oh my God. Hey, have you been in Congo, you guys?
Last time I was in the Congo was 1997.
Oh, na 1997 ngazali na Congo.
2007.
Ngapi ngazali na 2007 na Congo.
That's why I was 95.
Ngana ngazali na 2095 na Congo. Na 1995. Now you guys know Werason? You look like Werason.
Il est musicien.
Il est musicien, n'est-ce pas?
That's why I posted.
Oh my God. Now you guys know that Werason, they stop him not to play anymore in Europe or US.
Oh, why is that?
Because they are promoting prostitution and they are putting people to sleep so that the people will not understand politics. They will be disturbed by playing only rap music, something like this.
Okay.
So do you guys play rap music too?
Yeah,
from Congo?
Rap music, but we have a message. MLS, man, you guys wait. Our next project, we're gonna have a lot of content. That's why we came out here.
Oh my God.
We're gonna use all that. We're gonna put it on our CD.
In Lingala?
Not yet.
No. You guys, if you love Congo, it has to be in Lingala or Swahili.
The guy we got is Okosala Nini. That's it.
Oh my God.
Okosala
Nini. That's the only thing you know? Okay, so my name is Impresario Joaquim Zambona. I ran the TV station in Congo and in the US. So really nice to meet you, and I would love I would love to invite you so that you can do your production and we can broadcast it.
Look at this one right here. This is our next show. You see RDCENT.
Oh my God.
That's us.
YouTube.
YouTube, RDC.
RDCENT. We have music videos, we have interviews.
So when are you going to invite me?
Hey man, this is your official invitation right here. June 11th.
Oh man. Oh my God. Bapesi ka invitation ba jeune congolais wazo vivre aux États-Unis ba na YouTube bazawana bazana ba rap na bango na Congo. Bako rock ko bouger vivre ba congolais. Are you going to beat Congolese?
Hey, hold on.
Hey. Hold on. Give me the move again, man. Give me the move. Tala bana Congo, tala comprendre. Est-ce que bana Kinshasa ba ko kabiloko yo? Big Papa. Go ahead. Voilà, oyo bana biso ya Congo. Est-ce que nani ko kabango? Oh my God.
Signing out, man. Congo, we love you, man.
Now you guys listen to me. Tomorrow I'm going to receive one of the best Congolese artists. He works for Disney. Yeah, his name is Koblo. He's in charge of Congolese action to introduce him in Hollywood. So I don't know. Since I have your information, I'll try to contact you so that tomorrow or Friday we can make a live show on internet. You guys have Skype?
Yeah.
I can connect you through Skype so that you can participate. Because we're trying to group all the Congolese who know how to do music, art, so that we can do something together.
And it's time for a new generation, man.
New generation.
We love what I saw. We love everybody, but it's time for some
new generation.
New generation.
New flavor, man.
Thank you for me. So let us.
Everybody, Kofi, Bali, with all that.
Bali.
Even back to Magic System, everything.
Oh my God. So now let us do this. Each of you give me your name. Okay, let us start from you.
Easy.
Easy. Facile. Facile, Washington.
Yeah. RDC running the city.
So you don't have a local name like a Congolese name? No, only Easy?
You got a motherland swag.
Bongo na Easy qui est facile. Merci. Toke na mutami bale?
J-Lou. John. RDC.
Azala okoma authenticité puta za mwana ya Congo.
J-Lou.
John. Wapi Congo ya Congo? On doit Congolais.
On doit sauver.
Mais basi Kinshasa ba kolinga bino te parce que bozana ba kombo ya ba païen.
On doit sauver.
On doit sauver.
We can't give everything.
Est-ce que basta Kinshasa va kolinga bino? Bozasi?
Il faut que Kinshasa va sur YouTube.
Oui.
Go to YouTube. Kinshasa. Everybody go to YouTube.
Oui, mais bino boko bala awa ou bien boko bala banzele ya Kinshasa?
Kinshasa, they have to call. They have to call us.
Oh man.
Tell them call us. We're here in America.
If Kinshasa says we want RDC.
RDC.
We're coming.
But not with your name.
The only name qu'il faut savoir maintenant,
Oui.
c'est
RDC.
ENC.
Entertainment.
Okay, so nkomo na yo.
Iragi, man. Iragi, MLS.
Ragi. Okay, yaka nango. Bazaka na lini? Bakati? Okay, sawa. Merci mi en tout cas. Eric.
Eric.
Misap.
Yeah.
Okay. En tout cas, merci mingi pona bandeko bolandi biso awa. Thank you very much. I'll call you. Believe me.
Okay.
I'll connect you with somebody who is looking for all Congolese so to put something together for art.
That's great, man.
Thank you very much.
See all these tickets, man. We're doing it, man.
Oh, okay.
Man, the tickets, man.
Oh, how much cost the ticket? 20. So send me information. I'll buy.
You media.
I'll be there. So I'm the impresario Joachim Zama. Is 240. No, take 301. 927. 5612.
You say your name was what again?
Just call me impresario. Oh, Joachim.
Okay.
Yeah. Please call me. I can connect you.
We will, man.
Yeah. Sure. We have to promote you guys.
Okay.